tonight I'm going to make arroz con pollo y papa, which is one of my favorite meals that my mom used to make for us when we were younger. It's basically rice with chicken and potatoes, but I'll be cooking the chicken and potatoes in the oven. So right now we have about an hour and 45 minutes until iftar time. So I'm going to try to make this as fast as possible. Anytime I film these cooking videos, for some reason, it takes so long. So if I can't show every step in this video, I'll leave the ingredients below so you guys can go ahead and follow it on your own. And for sides, I'll be making some salad and Parmesan Brussels sprouts. I'm so excited. Okay. Oh, we have a guest here.
Where's my apron?
You can have mine. I don't have extra aprons. I should have brought you one.
No. Keep that one. Keep that one.
Man.
It's fine.
Okay, so Sahela, I need help with potatoes. Can you peel potatoes?
Yes. Peeler, or do I need to do it with a knife?
I have a peeler. Oh my god.
Can I use this
I thought
for
this
trash?
was cute. I thought the idea of putting an apron was cute, but it's like really annoying.
Well, you won't get your clothes dirty.
Yeah.
Can I use this for
Yes, you
trash?
can use that. Okay. If you know, you know. So this is a trick my mom taught me when I first started to cook, is to cut all my chicken and whatever I wasn't using for the moment, to store it in a Ziploc bag and just take all the air out. And then that way it supposedly is gonna keep the chicken fresh and last longer.
Yeah, that's what she, especially if it's seasoned. That's what she told
especially
me.
if it's seasoned. Well, I cut this yesterday, so this is still pretty fresh, so I'm still good. And this is the amount of chicken we'll be using for today, along with the potatoes. By the way, these are chicken breasts. You can use chicken thigh, you can use chicken leg, you can use whatever part of the chicken you like. I don't like any bone in my chicken.
Me neither.
Neither does Suha or Muhammad. So it's gonna be breastless chicken? Chicken breast.
Boneless.
Where's my mind?
Boneless chicken breast.
She said
breastless.
Leave me alone. I'm fasting, okay? I don't think many of you guys know how horrible my English is. It's pretty bad.
Only?
What?
Only?
What do you mean? What else is bad? My Spanish is not bad. It's not bad.
Does it?
No, it's not.
Sometimes.
No, it's not. Whatever.
It's just you speak Spanglish, so you kind of start forgetting both languages.
Mom says I speak good
for
Spanish.
Her Spanish, but for her English?
Or Spanish because you don't know Spanish?
For English, she needs help. She needs to go back to ESOL.
Bro, I was in ESOL for 3 years.
Oh, yeah, you were.
For a very long time. But I did it on purpose. I flunk on purpose because...
Wait a second, what?
I didn't, like,
How do you flunk? Why do you flunk on purpose?
Well, because my friends were in that class, and if you graduate, you're not allowed to go into that special ESOL class.
I'm judging you.
Okay, so most of my friends were not in my class. Like in public school, we have like 4th grade A, 4th grade B, 4th grade C.
Okay.
You get what I'm saying? So it's like broken down into different classes with different teachers. So it just so happened that most of my friends, I would say 80% of my friends, I made in ESOL class. But we weren't in our like 4th grade class together. You get what I mean?
Yeah, no, I get it. But you know that just pushed you back in your language because your English is not
I
very
know.
bueno.
That is not the smart thing to do. That's not a good idea.
You understand for the most part. It's fine.
I am making the dressing for the chicken and potatoes, and so far I've added olive oil and vinegar. Add some pepper, and by some I mean a lot, because when you're Latina you just use a lot of season. Be careful with my potatoes. And some salt. 1 Maggi. Is that how you say it? Maggi? Maggi! So 1 Maggi. Y 1 Sazon. A teaspoon of tomato paste. Is this a teaspoon?
Yeah? Yeah, no, it is.
Is this considered? This is my teaspoon. And then I mix it all in. I let that like marinate for a little bit. Then I add some cilantro and garlic, and a lot of garlic. Chopping cilantro, adding it all inside. This is going to give it that very rich flavor.
Where are we going?
You guys, I'm also in the middle of making a TikTok video, so this is the reason why it usually takes so long for me to eat and for everybody else to eat, because I am in the middle of filming 2 videos at a time. Sorry, I'm so sorry, Mom.
What time is it?
I did say we had an hour and 45 minutes, right? Now we have an hour.
Oh God.
And all we did was yap and cut some cilantro. What?
But didn't you say it takes like an hour just to cook?
Oh
It does take about an hour and a half to cook, so.
Get to it, sister.
We are getting to it. We're getting to it. Let me just turn on my video.
It's already
on. Okay, guys. Let me just repeat for a second. This is the sauce we'll be adding to the chicken and potatoes. We have, what do we have? Adding garlic. Adding garlic. Multitasking is not my thing. No, Shayla, where are you going?
Mo, we're not eating at 6:30.
No, I think we're fasting till tomorrow. We're eating for soul.
You guys, this is not easy. So Sohaila peeled 3 potatoes just about this size, and I went ahead and cut them into 3. It's gonna be about this size.
What are we doing now?
Okay, guys, so pause. Okay, guys, so I have added chicken and potato inside. It smells so good. Mix everything in really well.
So good. So good.
We're not eating on time.
Oh, good.
Like it's just not gonna happen. I'm going to add some water. I'm gonna cover it with aluminum foil. My mom taught me this. Poke some holes, and in the oven it goes. Hola, Dumi. Besito, mami. Oh, I love you too. I love you. I love you. Oh, God. Eat your cheeks, Adam.
Adam, you ready to go?
Yes.
Let's go.
Yes.
Let's go. Let's go.
Yes. Yeah.
And then we're gonna go have fun.
Where are you guys going?
We're gonna go eat. I mean,
Eat? No. No, Adam, no comas sin mami.
I'm gonna go get you guys coffee since you guys are 2 hours behind schedule.
Hey.
I'm so sorry.
Told her it wasn't gonna be ready, and she promised it would.
Listen, I tried, okay? I really tried, but anytime I make these videos, these cooking videos with a camera, like, it just takes double the time. And what's Ramadan about? Patience. Practice patience. So we, alhamdulillah, we have food, we have snacks, we have fruits, we have stuff that we could eat in the meantime, right?
Yeah. Who
Right?
made this?
No.
Bye! I really hope that, I mean, I know I look very messy, but I hope this is somewhat relatable to moms or to women out there who are cooking and their brain just stops functioning when they're fasting, because that's exactly how I feel. And I'm like, there's no way I'm the only one. There's just no way.
No, it happens.
Okay, so for the Brussels sprouts, I'm going to add olive oil and just a tiny bit of vinegar. There you go. Salt and pepper. We're supposed to break our fast in 20 minutes.
Oh my god.
And we're nowhere close to eating.
My stomach's rumbling.
I'm so sorry. Some salt and garlic. Lots of garlic. At least 4 or 5 cloves.
You love garlic.
I love garlic. Okay, so I just grated 4 garlic cloves and now I'm grating some Parmesan cheese. Now adding balsamic vinegar. And this one is, I don't know. I can't even read that. I honestly can't read right now. Dios mío. Okay.
This is a cooking and behind the scenes vlog.
I hope you guys don't mind. I'm splitting my time in 2. Now I'm adding my salt. Is this called the sauce? Adding the sauce?
Just add it.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. I don't want TikTok followers to know that my English sucks. Okay. Adding the sauce to the Brussels sprouts. Brussels. Mixing it all together. Okay, I have some grated Parmesan that I'm adding a tiny bit to the pan before I add the Brussels sprout. Because what this is going to do is make it super crispy. Time to add the Brussels sprouts, but make sure to face them down. Like this. He's back! Thank you, Mo.
Covered it?
Foxtail came through like they always do.
Mine's good.
They made it good.
They made it good. Looks ready. Oh my god. Rice is ready. Food is out of the oven. Salad.
Alright, chef. We took a little bit longer than usual that even the camera died. So we had to go on our phones. So I was like, I'm not gonna have Iftar here ever
Guys,
again.
it smells so good. Like, I'm not even gonna lie, it smells so yummy.
No, it does look fire and smells fire.
Come with mommy. Oh my god, it feels so good to sit down. Is it good?
Yeah, it's good.
Was it worth
So
the
good.
wait?
Alhamdulillah.
Yeah.
It's worth the wait. I mean, it would have been more amazing to have it 3 hours ago. Omaya just wanted to test our patience even more at Ramadan by having us wait. So she got good
She
deeds.
tested us.
Honestly,
Alhamdulillah. Totally.
Yeah, no, alhamdulillah, it's really good.
thank you, thank you. Coffee was so good. It came at a perfect time.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Adam, Titi está comiendo, déjala tranquila. No, papá, no, Adam, Habibi, no, Titi está comiendo, no, papi. Adam, está comiendo. Oh my god.
Don't worry, I'll be your teacher. It's okay.
I'm sorry, Sula. You're never gonna finish eating.
I'll be your
Life.
Some leftovers.
Someone's my mom.
Sada, leave her alone.
What are you guys looking at?
Some dessert ideas. Okay, so I'm in the mood for something chocolatey with
Okay.
fruit.
Okay.
Oh my god, my mouth is so watery.
What is
That
this?
looks so good.
We should do that with
Bananas.
Oh, strawberries. That would be good.
I don't like bananas.
I like bananas, but we don't have bananas, and if we go to the grocery store, they're not gonna be ripe. So we might substitute the banana for strawberry. But look, let's do strawberries with a little bit of yogurt,
Okay.
and then melt some chocolate, and then add some nuts on top.
It looks like you know what you're talking about, so let's just get going.
Oh my god. Let's go to Publix. Let's get some dessert. Yummy, yummy, yummy.
There it is. Get the wheel. Get the wheel.
Ready?
Alright, what are we doing here? Wait, what's going on here? What's going on here?
Oh, not this one.
What's going on here, guys?
We're getting some desserts that are already done, so we don't have to wait for it. Like, we're gonna eat dessert while we make dessert. Does that make sense?
No, it doesn't.
That looks
Alright, check the date at least.
No, that's what I'm saying.
Oh my god. This is why Omaya never drives. At all. Alright, let's get what we said we're here for. Omaya, switch. I'll drive. Here.
Oh my
I'll do it together. Here you go. Oh my god. What fruit do we
You don't
need?
trust me even behind this wheel?
No.
Are you kidding me?
You put a dent, he got a whiplash. What did you grab? Oh, milk?
Leche.
Okay, we need Adam, Habibi. Adam. Here you go, buddy.
Hijo, dame leche.
Hold up, don't we need yogurt? Yogurt?
Yeah.
Go over there. Over there.
Esta es leche. ¿Qué otra cosa quieres? Esta es leche. ¿Quieres leche? No? Ok. ¿Puedo dárselo a papi? ¿Lo puedo dar a papá? No?
The weather feels so good.
Yeah.
Scratch what I showed you earlier
Okay.
with the bananas. We're not doing that one. Instead, we're gonna do this one. Instead, we want to make this blackberry custard
It looks good.
with chocolate.
Okay, and she's already started with doing this.
We're almost there. We're getting somewhere. Now we're going to add Greek yogurt, and this one has 13 grams of protein and 2 grams of sugar.
Ooh.
So I'm not a yogurt person, and I'm really surprised that it smells so
Oh,
good.
it smells good.
Right?
Yeah, vanilla.
I love you. Okay. She added like 3 huge spoons. So 1,
Oh my god.
put it in. 2,
Oh my goodness.
and 3.
Sorry, I can't wait.
What do you think? 3 or should we do more?
How did hers look? Like, did it look more creamy? Oh, she did 4.
Oh wait, she did 5.
She did big spoons.
Oh wait, that's a lot.
Yeah, because it's like yogurt. But yeah, put more on my.
Okay.
The blackberries were.
Oh wow.
So good.
No.
This
is like a blackberry yogurt.
It looks good. Let me get a top view here real quick.
Look at that.
For sweetener, she added maple syrup. She added a lot, but this is all we have of maple
Also,
syrup.
this is already flavored vanilla, so
Okay.
we don't need that.
So
Drip, 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 drip.
or you can substitute maple syrup for honey, right?
Probably.
What should I do with like the leftover? Because we're not gonna fit all of this in here.
Maybe put it in another container.
I can eat
Like
it.
Oh, give it to Sue.
yeah,
Actually.
just
Oh,
like
listen,
that. You
no.
eat it just
Oh
like
my
that.
god.
Give her
yeah.
to take it. Yeah.
Oh my god, you're gonna eat it just like that.
Sue could drink this as a smoothie.
I
though.
can literally eat this. Throw some
Why?
granola in there. This could be my support.
What?
There you go.
This is my sahur.
So what Omaya is doing right now is spreading it on the tray here, and then we're gonna wait for it to freeze, and then after it freezes,
I'm gonna melt some chocolate and then throw them in there.
So it's ready to go inside the freezer. I'm gonna keep it there for about an hour, hour and a half.
okay.
Then take it out, melt some chocolate. Ooh, that chocolate is melted and smells so good. Okay guys, so we took these out. It's been about an hour, hour and a half.
Just like the video.
It's just like the video.
This is a lot of chocolate.
This is too much chocolate.
Yeah. That's good because when it's frozen, it has 0 calories. Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar.
All right, guys, that is it for tonight's vlog.
Yeah, we're about to go to sleep right now so we can wake up for Fajr and Suhoor with some energy.
Inshallah.
Because it's getting a little late right now. I don't even know if we're going to make it to Suhoor, but we're just going to grab some water with us, some fruits, and inshallah we're going to wake up just in time to pray Fajr.
That's what matters.
Yeah. And yeah, the dessert that we made today, we're definitely not going to try that out tonight. Maybe tomorrow night, inshallah.
Yeah.
And
As you can see, like our eyes are like shutting. It is so late. But anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you have been enjoying these vlogs.
Yep.
Don't forget that I'm now posting every Monday and Friday at 1 p.m. So stay tuned for more videos. And I just love having you guys around. Thank you so much for your love and support. And we'll see you next time.
Salam, everyone.
Salam.